Are you an artist trying to decide where to distribute your music? Today, we're comparing United Masters and TuneCore to help you make that choice. Both platforms help musicians get their songs onto streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music. They both offer tools to manage your music and reach your audience, but they have some key differences. Let's start with United Masters. This platform is all about empowering independent artists. It allows you to keep 100% of your royalties. They also offer a unique feature called Select, which helps you get your music placed in commercials and films. This can be a great way to gain exposure. Now, let's talk about TuneCore. This service has been around for a while and is trusted by many artists. With TuneCore, you pay a fee to upload your songs, but you also keep all your earnings. They focus more on distribution and provide detailed sales reports, which can be helpful for tracking your success. When it comes to differences, United Masters is more focused on exposure through partnerships, while TuneCore is more about straightforward distribution. United Masters offers a free option with limited features, whereas TuneCore requires an upfront payment but offers more extensive tools for managing your music. In terms of pricing, um, United Masters has a free tier, but you pay a percentage of your earnings for some features. TuneCore charges a yearly fee for uploads, which can add up if you release a lot of music. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for opportunities in placements and want to keep all your royalties, United Masters might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you prefer detailed sales tracking and a more traditional distribution approach, TuneCore could be a better fit. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more music tips.